As semiconductor manufacturing continues to advance, service operations are becoming more complex and require a higher level of precision. This is why Lam has introduced Equipment Intelligence Services with Dextro, the semiconductor industry's first collaborative robot, or Cobot. With our Dextro Cobot, we are transforming how we service our equipment to maximize performance for our customers. In 2024, Dextro was launched with 3 applications designed to support fab engineers. Today, Dextro exemplifies our speed to transformation, addressing more than 6 times as many, with more to come. For cleaning and surface preparation, Dextro performs demanding tasks both inside and outside the chamber with controlled motion and predictable outcomes. These applications help improve the safety of employees by taking on physically demanding and time-consuming cleaning tasks, ensuring critical surfaces are ready for production. In addition to cleaning, Dextro replaces consumable parts by executing high-precision operations with reliability and control, delivering 99.9% first-time accuracy, resulting in enhanced tool performance. And finally, Dextro now performs a variety of routine maintenance tasks, freeing up our field service engineers for higher value work. These tasks are executed with smooth, repeatable motion, ensuring components are installed first time right, with more than 2 times variability reduction across every maintenance cycle. With its ever-expanding range of applications, Dextro continues to advance automation in the fab, delivering industry-leading value through innovation. Made by Lam.